Hi guys, my name is Empress Blessing Bassey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning viewer and if you're a first time viewer, you're welcome. We love you. So first of all, I want to make a shout out to this set of people. I want to make a shout out to Z Chat watching from Kaduna. I want to make a shout out to Ingabire watching from Uganda. I want to make a shout out to Victor Nwele watching from Lagos. And I want to make a shout out to Job Sukomi watching from Ikorodu. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching our videos. And we hope to see you on all of our videos. Kindly let us know your name and where you're watching from also so we can make a shout out to you to appreciate you for actually stopping by to check out our video. So in this video I'm making a what's it called sandwich. I would love to call this one bread salad sandwich. So yeah, this sandwich is actually very nice, like it is sweet. And let me know if you're going to eat something like this. All I did was to break eggs. You can break any amount of eggs you want. Then you can add your salt, you can add your pepper and any spicy thing you want to add to it. After that, you add your sliced carrots, you add your cabbage, you add your cucumber and any other thing you want to add to it. But this was just what I used. Then after that, you make sure you toast your bread front and back. If you want it tastier, or should I say a little bit crunchy, if not you can just use it like that. Then you can decide to add anything to the bread, maybe butter or bama or sorry or mayonnaise or anything, or still you can use it like that. I used mine like that though. After that, you fry your mixed salad or your salad you've soaked in the egg already. You're just going to fry it anyhow you want it. I actually wanted it to be finer than this, but unfortunately it came out like this. So you fry it, and after frying it you just put it in the middle of the bread, and there you go. You can eat your sweet, delicious, nice, loving I don't know sweet looking what's it called, sandwich or salad, bread salad sandwich, anyhow you want to call it. But trust me, this is actually nice. Like this is actually really nice. So if you've not tried this, you can try it now. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and please kindly help us share this video also. And you can turn on the notification bell so anytime we post new videos you will be notified. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to let us know your name and where you're watching from. Very, very, very important. So we can make a shout out to you to appreciate you for actually stopping by to check out our videos. Make sure you fry on low heat. And again, if you don't want to use what's it called, granite oil, you can always use butter to fry. Well, I don't have butter. My butter finished, so I had to use oil. So and again, if you're using oil, make sure it's not actually this much. Mine, I noticed mine was much actually. So make sure you use butter or you use just small oil, and then you fry on low heat. That's all. And now you can serve your sandwich hot and enjoy it while it's hot. You can eat this with coffee, you can eat this with tea, you can take this with Pepsi or any soft drink, and also you can take it with yogurt like or juice, anything of your choice actually. And trust me, you are going to want to eat more of this every day. Also, you can actually turn this into a business if you enjoy it and you are in an environment whereby you can sell this. Trust me, actually it is not expensive, but you would sell it and you would make your gain. So try this and let us know what you think. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and don't forget to like. Thank you to all those we've made shout outs to. Trust me, we love you, we appreciate you, We celebrate you, and we hope to make more shout outs to you in the future. So please don't stop watching our videos, and don't stop commenting your name and where you're watching from. So we'll continue to make shout outs to you. So thank you for coming to watch our video. Have a nice day. Bye.